Hi friends, welcome to Neema's Tips and Tricks. I was thinking the other day that we have done so many recipes but haven't done a Mexican style salad. So come, let's make it. If you like my video, then please support me by subscribing to my channel and do give a thumbs up. So let's start with the ingredients for dressing. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 2 teaspoon of oregano, 3 cloves of minced garlic, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, few coriander leaves chopped. In order to make a salad dressing, let's take a bowl. Into it, add in extra virgin olive oil, chopped coriander leaves, minced garlic, cumin powder, oregano, red chili flakes, salt to taste, and lime juice. Let's whisk all these ingredients and keep aside. Unlike all dressings, the longer it sits, the stronger its flavor. So now let's keep this dressing aside and start with salad preparation. For this, here I've taken 200 grams of lettuce or iceberg. Let's chop this. To make a good salad, it's always better to chop iceberg into small pieces. Let's transfer this into a bowl. Now let's add chopped tomatoes, 1/2 cup corn, 1 cup of chopped cucumber. It looks so colorful. Let's drop in some chopped bell peppers and kidney beans. How can we make a Mexican salad without kidney beans? Let's mix all these together. So, the vegetables for our salad are ready. Now, let's add in our prepared dressing and toss it very well. Let's toss it really well. Let's transfer this to a serving bowl. Our salad is all set and is ready for tasting. Do try it and post your comment in the comment section below. See you all in my next video with another tips and tricks.